Metacognition, thinking about thinking. What does metacognition mean? Have you ever surprised yourself? Have you ever done something and then thought immediately after, why did I do that? Sometimes it is hard to know our own thoughts, and we might get confused about why we do what we do. If you ever felt that way, don't worry, metacognition is here. Metacognition means to think about thinking. How do we do that? We simply pay attention to what we think, feel, say, and do. We try to understand who we are and why we do and say the things we do. We learn about our strengths and challenges so we can make better choices and find a better way to do things. But what happens without metacognition? If we don't use our metacognition, we don't think about ourselves and we may not choose the best way to do things. While a certain way of doing something may work for others, it may not work for us. For example, what if we try to get to the treasure at a point of X? We may try a method that doesn't work, our path may not be efficient, and by the time we get there, the treasure may be gone. But how can metacognition help? Thinking about our own thinking helps us learn from what we do, so we can use our strengths to overcome challenges and meet our goals. Using metacognition, we can figure out a better way to get to the X using our strengths. Then maybe we can find the treasure. Wouldn't you like to build your own metacognition and be able to make better choices about how you do things? In this unit, you will learn how to think about your own thinking and discover how your strengths can be used to overcome your challenges and help you meet your goals.